Where we at? Jackson, LAX, block workers, skip. Sliding with a 50, Van Dyken with my sissy, sipping dirty Sprite, pouring out the pint until I'm pissy. Count to 5 Mississippi, 30 poking, I'm outside with a stiffy. Shit, I might just go live with a bricky, me and 5 in that Benz. The matching masterpieces got me plotting on the Richie. Number 5 come with a 50. Know these niggas wanna rob me, wanna stick me, mad at me, cause all they bitches wanna slide me, wanna lick me. That'll be the day we hand our expiration dates. I hate it had to be that way, but be it as it may, you know it had to happen either way. Demon child, lot of bad habits and some evil traits. Mini Drake, fully automatic, let it eat its flesh. The niggas hoods you hiding in, you thought was safe. You tell them everything else, why you ain't tell them that you caught a case? Wish you seen the look in his eyes when he saw my face, knowing that I know what's going on, that's what you call a snake. I gotta thank God for keep cutting me all these breaks. On my last strike, ain't even got another law to break. Heard they caught him with the bag and he talked to Jake. Now all these niggas get mad and wanna fight, should've fought his case. These niggas super flawed. Me and Didi moved the raw, got TT sniffing through a straw. Jackie banging needles, Uncle Eddie, he was smacking glass. But he smoking fry, but he so shy that he can't catch a drag. Half a slab, bleed a nigga block just like a maxi pad. Action pack, Brody cut shit down just like a battle axe. Nigga drop my name, he getting mo. Running title that got 2 bricks of cocaine, 3 bits of blow. That's a travel pack. Used to work the grade shift, boiling mayonnaise on me. All these band-aids on me, that's a first aid kit. Niggas know we purge and we grade did. Parking them 6s in a row like a class of first grade kids. The niggas hoods you hiding in, you thought was safe. You tell them everything else, why you ain't tell them that you caught a case? Wish you seen the look in his eyes when he saw my face, knowing that I know what's going on, that's what you call a snake. I gotta thank God for keep cutting me all these breaks. On my last strike, ain't even got another law to break. Heard they caught him with the bag and he talked to Jake. Now all these niggas get mad and wanna fight, should've fought his case.